Today I'm doing a review on this wood riser. This wood display was gifted to me in exchange for this review. Let's open up this box and see what we have. Seems like it's going to be very easy to come together. It has the wood tray itself. Now this wood tray is treated and protected, and all you have to do is just wipe it off to clean it. It does come with a set of instructions. Some extra cushions to put underneath the pedestals. And there are 3 of the pedestals. Well, these instructions are very clear on what to do. Let's get it together. The stickers did go on very well to the bottom of the feet. There are 3 of them to do. And that will protect your finish of wherever you're going to be setting up this. Now you can choose to put it in your bathroom, in your kitchen, anywhere you'd really like to display something. Now on where you put in the feet onto the tray, it just screws in there. So easy. And if I look, it looks very durable, and so do the feet. Now, as you can see, I placed it on the top of my liquor cabinet to display my tools when making my drinks. There's a lip on the edge that helps keep everything in place on the pedestal. It makes for a perfect display.